How to log out Snapchat account from all devices. Hello and welcome back to our official help desk. And today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can log out of your Snapchat account from all the devices that you are logged into. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Head over to your Snapchat app. Then here, tap onto your profile on your top left. As you do so, you will land onto this screen. Tap on settings icon on your top right again. Then tap on two-factor authentication just below the password. As you do so, you will see Forgot Devices at the bottom of the page. Just tap onto it. It will show you the list of all the devices that you have logged in the past. Now tap on the wrong icon if you would like to forget that device. Do the same and tap on Yes. If you would like to do it all at once, just tap on Forget All Devices and it will disable all of the login details from that selected devices. And that is how you can do it. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.